If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing EAFC 25, there are several steps you can take to potentially improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and reduce lag. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other programs that could interfere with your gaming performance. Step 3. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings for better performance. Lower the graphics settings, reduce the resolution, and turn off any unnecessary visual effects. This can help improve frame rates and reduce lag during gameplay. Step 4. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections are generally more stable and can significantly reduce lag compared to wireless connections. Step 5. Update network drivers in-game. Ensure that your network drivers and the game itself are up to date. Check for any available updates for your network adapter and install the latest patches or updates for EAFC 25 to improve performance and fix any known issues. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce lag spikes and enhance your gaming experience in EAFC 25. Happy gaming!